ton of things in Gorilla Tag that makes weird noises. Like these coins in basement.
Brother,
Or the walls up in Silverback Studios. But the weirdest one is this guy. This guy repeats the last surface you ever touched. But before I show you that, I want to give a huge shout out to these 5 subscribers. And if you want to get a shout out in the next video, all you gotta do is subscribe. Okay, check this out. I touch this. But if I touch this, what the heck?